Good morning, students. Hope that by the grace of Almighty, all of you are fine. My dear students, another most important math is operation of Eastern Company for the year disclosed on margin of safety ratio of 25% and contribution margin ratio 62%. Fixed cost টাকা 74,400 টাকা. Now requirements. Requirement A. Calculate the amount of break-even point. Requirement B. Calculate the amount of actual sales. Requirement C. Calculate the amount of profit. Okay, dear student. Now we want to solve this math. At first, requirement A. Break-even sales in টাকা. Formula is fixed costs divided contribution margin ratio. So, fixed cost 74,400 টাকা divided contribution margin ratio 62% according to question. So, break-even sales in টাকা 1,20,000 টাকা. Okay, dear students. Now, requirement B. We know that sales is equal to 100% and break-even point is equal to sales minus margin of safety. So, break-even point ratio is equal to sales ratio 100% minus margin of safety ratio 25%. That is break-even point ratio 75%. Okay, dear students. Dear students, according to question, 75% is equal to টাকা 1,20,000. So 1% is equal to 1,20,000 divided 75%. So 100% is equal to 1,20,000 into 100% divided 75%. That is টাকা 1,60,000. My dear students, we can answer this question in another way, such as actual sales is equal to break-even point divided break-even point ratio. So, break-even point amount is 1,20,000 divided break-even point ratio 75%. That is টাকা 1,60,000. Okay, dear student. So, actual sales amount is টাকা 1,60,000. This is the solution of requirement B. Now, requirement C. The amount of profit is equal to contribution margin minus fixed cost. My dear students, we know that fixed cost and profit jointly is called contribution margin. So, contribution margin minus fixed cost, then we will get profit. Okay, dear student. So, sales into contribution margin ratio, because in this question contribution margin amount is missing, but in the question mentioned that contribution margin ratio. Okay, dear student, minus fixed cost.
Sales amount 1,60,000 into contribution margin ratio 62% minus fixed cost 74,400 টাকা. So contribution margin 99,200 টাকা minus fixed cost 74,400 টাকা. So profit amount is 24,800 টাকা. Okay, dear students, this is the solution of requirement C. Thank you so much.